Hey guys, good morning. My name's Nick with Revive Exterior Home Care, your hometown experts in exterior cleaning. Today I wanted to give you another Tip Tuesday, and this is going to be how to clean rust stains on the exterior surfaces around your home. So we're at the Fentonwood Estates here on the east side of Lake Fenton, and a lot of the water around here is kind of like mineral rich, and it stains a lot of the sidings. So this particular customer, he has the sprinklers hitting this, and it just leaves these rust stains. So the best way to do it, the easiest, cheapest way to remove that is with this Goof Off outdoor rust stain. You can get this on Amazon for about 15 bucks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in this pump-up sprayer, and we're gonna spray it on, and then we're just gonna rinse it away. And as you can see, it'll make your vinyl look like new. Now for any of the tougher spots, like these streaks right here, just go over it again. You don't want to like overdo it. I mean, you can overdo it, but you also want the product to do its work. So I just sprayed that whole side. I'm gonna let it dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes, see what's left, and I'll come back and hit it again if I need to. And then at the end of everything, I'm just gonna rinse it away with the standard garden hose. So I'm Nick with Revive Exterior Home Care, your hometown experts. Thanks for checking in.
It's 2 a.m. when she's reaching over, faded t-shirt hanging off her shoulder, dressed up, her head down.